freedom. We need freedom. We need democracy. We need the real democracy. No more fake democracy. No more fake democracy. Stop supporting funding Ethiopian government. Free Bekkele Garba. Free Ethiopian prisoners. Free Oromian prisoners. Free political prisoners. Free our students. Stop killing Oromo students. Stop killing school children. Stop funding Ethiopian government. Free Bekkele Garba. Free Bekkele Garba. Free for Oromia. We need freedom. Ethiopia is not there is democracy. In Ethiopia there is no democracy. Democracy. We hate fake democracy. Oromia is not for sale. Oromia is not for sale. No master plan. Stop land grabbing. Stop fake master plan. Stop. UK not supporting Ethiopian government. Ethiopian government is a killer. He's a killer. David Cameron stop financing supporting a killer. Ethiopian government is a killer. Oromia is for us. Oromia not for sale. Oromia is not for sale. Oromia is not for sale. Free Bekkele Garba. Free Bekkele Garba. Free all Banar el-Nisa. Free all Banar el-Nisa. Free Bekkele Negga. Free Oromo prisoners. Free Oromo prisoners. We need justice. We need justice. Justice for Oromo students. Justice for Oromo students. Justice for Oromo students. Justice for Oromo prisoners. Justice for Oromo prisoners. Stop land grabbing in Ethiopia. Stop land grabbing in Ethiopia. Hailemariam Desalegn is a killer. Hailemariam Desalegn is a killer. Samara Yunus is a killer. Samara Yunus is a killer. Akbar Zaya is a killer. David Cameron. Stop financing. Terrorist regime in Ethiopia. Stop financing This is the heart of Oromia.